Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool where you can summarize, analyze and chat with your research documents. So this AI tool will be very helpful for you to make a brief literature review for your research paper writing. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will be useful for our research paper writing, especially those who are struggling with literature review. This one will be very useful for you. Let us go on to today's video. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to organize an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring better content out of it using these different types of research prompts. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Otio.AI. So here you Otio, whatever you want you can pronounce, that is Otio.AI. So your AI research writing partner, the fastest way to read and write, summarize and chat with your documents and links, write, edit and paraphrase with AI, save hours of on your research every week. So this is the Otio.AI we are going to discuss today. So let us go on to today's video. So this is the dashboard of this Otio.AI. So here you can see that. So you will be having the different options: upload a file or paste a link to get started. So here, as like in that is chat PDF like tools, you can upload your PDF and get it analyzed. So here also you can upload the document which is to be analyzed, that is your reference papers. So here the first step is to upload a file or paste a link. So next step is to get a detailed summary. Next, chat with your content. So first I am going to upload a reference paper. So here just click on this and drop your file here. So in desktop I have saved a file. So here the paper is uploading. So here you can see. So in order to get a better understanding of your paper, so what you can do is I am showing that paper. So this is the paper I have uploaded. So dual active bridge and matrix converter based 3-port converter topology for grid interactive PV battery system. So this is the paper I have uploaded. So here you can see the paper is 6 pages. So next, go to that Otio.AI. So here where the document where we have uploaded will be there. So here you can see that. So click on the document. So this is the document. So just it is showing the document. So after that you will be having different options called summary, ask a questions, etc. So here you can see that our document is loaded here. So this is the document. So what you can do is you can ask any options here. So first I am going to click on the option called summary. So in this summary, so you can see that introduction to 3-port converters. So yes, this paper is about 3-port converters to integrate battery energy storage system and solar PV with household loads for reliable power supply. Conventional integration uses multiple 2-port converters leading to multi-stage power conversion, lower efficiency and high cost. Next, it offers advantages like compact structure, lower cost, flexible power flow control and high efficiency. Next, here you can see that proposed isolated bidirectional single phase 3-port converter. So this is that proposed single phase 3-port converter. So based on dual active bridge and matrix converter, grid interactive renewable power system provides galvanic isolation between 3 ports and ensures single stage power conversion between any 2 ports, enables a zero voltage switching for DAB converters to reduce device switching losses and electromagnetic interference. Next, configuration and operation. So here this is the configuration and operation. Next, here you can see that topology, derivation and modulation control. The topology uses DAB converters for DC ports and a full bridge converter for the AC ports, implementing MC for 4-quadrant power flows. So this is how a detailed summary of that particular paper is generated. So those who are making review paper, this will be a fantastic choice for you to make use of this option. You can upload your reference paper and you can that is instant summary in minutes. So if you want to ask your questions, you can ask what are the questions you want. So here, based on a dual active bridge and matrix converter, so you can use what are the advantages of dual active bridge converter. So like that you can ask questions to that particular paper, then this Otio.AI will answer for you. So here you can see that what are the advantages. The advantages of that particular converter is highlighted. Yes, it is generating all the advantages related with that particular DAB. So here you can see that the advantages of the dual active bridge converter as highlighted is provided. Content include bidirectional power flow capability, soft switching features, modularity and symmetrical structures, galvanic isolation, single stage power conversion, flexible power flow control. So these advantages underline the DAB. Yes, it is generating a perfect answer for our questions, and also it is not generating a common content, it will analyze that particular paper. So according to that content analysis in that particular paper, it is generating a best and valued content here. So this will be very helpful for us to make your research paper more understanding, and you can analyze the reference papers even bits and pieces. So like that you can make use of this option. So this is the content. So here you can go to the content again. So here you can see this is the content. Again we can came to content after summarize. So here I am going to ask a question. So from the conclusion, make what are the future advancement can be made in the paper. So like that I am going to ask a question. So it will take several seconds to generate the content. So based on the conclusion from the provided content, future advancement of DAB and MC can include. So here this is a general content which is generated by this Otio.AI. So here you can see developing sophisticated control strategies. One major area to future work is to create advanced control methods to allow the independent flow of 2 omega power among the ports. This could enhance the system versatility in handling power across different scenarios. So like that it will generate what are the future things to make. So you can make it as a problem statement, and you can further add or develop this paper for your further proceedings in your research. Next you can see detailed operational analysis in switching level with loss analysis. There is no loss analysis presented in this particular paper. So you can make loss analysis in this by using this switching level. So like that you can make use of this option also. So this is how you can use this Otio.AI. So go on and try with this 5 daily AA credits. There are 5 daily AA credits available. So it will be very helpful for you. So this 5 credits will be free for every day. So you can just log in with your ID, mail ID, and you can use this 5 credits every day. So if you want more, you have to go for upgrade option. So at just $9 per month, there are 20 credits. You can access up to 20 credits daily. So next $20 per month. So you can have no limit on credits. You can get unlimited credits. So make use of this option in this Otio.AI to make your research paper writing, especially literature review writing, very simple and easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.